Hi there, welcome everybody. What I'm going to show you next is the question generator. This is also in our AI tools section of the administrator page of the Lecturio platform. All right, so we can select the kind of exam that we are giving. Let's do a NCLEX level 1. You can select the discipline that you'd like. You can select domains, clinical presentations, and these categories will change, of course, depending on the exam type that you've chosen. And I'm going to use our topic of the day, the pathology of GERD. How many questions we're going to generate? I'm just going to generate one at a time. I'm going to tell it I'd like it to add the explanation. You can also upload a file here. If you have materials that you'd like to base questions on, you can upload a file and it will use that material. So the first step that happens is it generates a prompt that you can edit. So you don't need to edit this prompt, but it does give that prompt to you in case you would like to edit it. Then from that prompt, it will generate the question. So it does take a moment to generate the question, but as we know, item writing is a time-consuming process, and this does go faster than that. So here is our question. A 45-year-old male presents to the clinic complaining of heartburn that worsens after meals and when lying down. Let's see, which of the following best explains the underlying pathophysiologic mechanism of his symptoms? So then it will give us several choices. We have the answer and the distractors. It's only given us the explanation for the correct answer today, but that is something that you can add. You can add explanations for distractors. You can add media. You can add quite a bit to this question if you would like to do so. Once a question is created and you've reviewed it, you can select the question bank where you'd like that to live. Your institution's question is probably most likely, and it's going to ask you to categorize it by subject and system. I am not going to keep that today. If you see this in the upper right-hand corner, go to my question bank. That will allow you to see all of the questions that you've generated. That's where you can edit them even further. You can add explanations. You can add media, audio, video, photos, whatever you would like to add to those questions. And we have some more in-depth trainings on how to use the question bank more in depth that way. But I just wanted to show you the AI question generator and to encourage you to try that out if you have not used it. So thanks for your time today, and we'll see you next time.